Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be making different styles of Christmas trees. So let's get started. So I'm thinking that I'd like to make 8 or 9 different styles of Christmas trees. And if you want to practice these trees and then decide which one you like the best, you can go ahead and make them Christmas trees for your family and friends. You can make cards maybe. That would be a really great idea. So our first tree is going to just be an upside down V. And then at the bottom of these two lines, we're going to make a curved line. Let's not forget our trunk. And then I'm just simply going to make some curved lines that are stripy going down. And I'm going to put a star at the top, a small star. If there's another way that you like to make a star, go ahead and do that. I like to make the type of star where you have an upside down V, you bring 2 lines out, you bring them in, and then you attach V's to either side. That's our first Christmas tree. Second Christmas tree. Let's do the same as far as an upside down V. Come straight across. Make a line coming down from the center point. And then we're going to make striped lines coming down from the center. It's kind of like a stylized Christmas tree. Now let's make sure that we get a trunk there, and maybe one more will fit. There we go. At the top of this one, I'm going to make a ball with some little lines coming out. That's going to be kind of like my star. Alrighty, for my next tree, I'm just going to have a series of triangles. So there's my first one, my second one, my third one, and my fourth one. That's it. That makes a pretty cool tree, doesn't it? My next tree is going to go right here, and I'm going to start out with a medium size upside down V, and I'm going to make some zigzag lines. Then I'm going to do the same thing underneath, but I'm not going to have the top part of my triangle. So I come down with slanted lines, and then I have my zigzag line. And then I do it one more time. If you have more room on your piece of paper, you can make your Christmas tree even taller. This one would be a cute one to decorate with maybe some candy canes, maybe some ornaments. It's up to you. Put a little star there at the top, and let's remember our trunk. All right, next tree. Let me put it down here. I'm going to have an upside down V with a straight line across. Maybe put a little ball at the top. And then I'm going to have some curved lines coming down that are attached to each other. So curved line, curved line, curved line, and curved line. Then I can attach some little lights to it. It's up to you however you want to decorate these trees. This is your artwork, and you should be able to decorate it however you'd like. Now I'm going to give a little trunk. The next tree is going to be really tall and skinny. So really tall and skinny tree, close up at the bottom, and I'm just going to put some stripes coming down from the center top. I always start at the center top, and then I come down to different points on the bottom line. Do you see how that works? So it's pretty solid right here at the top, and then they spread out a little bit more at the bottom. I'll put a star at the top of this tree, and I want to remember my trunk. So if you can see, we're building up a collection of Christmas trees. They all look like Christmas trees, but they're all a little bit different. So you get to decide which one you like the best. So this one's trunk is a little bit different. We're going to make a really long slanted line and then another really long slanted line, and we are going to close it up at the bottom. Then we are just going to add some branches coming out from the side like this, and they'll get a little bit bigger as they go down. So start on at the top, and then as we get closer to the bottom, they get a little bit bigger. All right, let's move on to this area right here. Let's see, how about a tree that looks like this? Start out with our triangle, close it up at the bottom, and then let's make some stripes on it. And then on the inside of those stripes, let's make some zigzags. If you can think of another type of a line or a design that you'd like to put inside of these initial lines, go ahead and do that. And then we can put some sort of a star at the top. Let's not forget our trunk. All right, last one can go right here. And it's going to be very simple. It's going to be 2 slanted lines and a curved line. 2 more slanted lines a little bit further apart and a curved line. 2 more slanted lines and then a curved line and a trunk and a little bit of a star at the top. So this one needs a little something at the top. You can put whatever you want at the top, and then this one as well. Forgot to put something on the top there. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.